In this video, I'll demonstrate how to construct a frequency polygon. It's a line graph that uses straight lines to connect the points plotted for the frequencies at the midpoints. So the very first step that we have to perform is we have to compute the midpoint of each class. The notation that's used for the midpoint is x sub m. And I like to construct a column, and here I add the column to the center of our group frequency distribution just so that it precedes the frequency. But you can actually add this column anywhere on the table. And so to find the midpoint, there is a formula. The midpoint is the lower limit of each class plus the upper limit of each class divided by 2. So let's take a look at the first example here. We have 9 through 27. We add 9 and 27, so 9 plus 27 is 36, and then we divide by 2 to get 18. So the first midpoint is 18. It's the midpoint of the first class. Now to get the midpoint of the second class, let's once again perform the computation using a calculator. So first we add, I like to use parentheses when doing the calculation. So 28 plus 46 and then divide it by 2. And that's going to give us 37. So that's our second midpoint. Now one thing we can take note of is that all the classes are separated by a class width of 19. That means the midpoints are also separated by 19. So to rapidly generate all the other midpoints, just add 19, beginning with, say, 37. 37 plus 19 is 56. 56 plus 19 is 75. And then 75 plus 19 is 94. So that's because the class width is 19. So that's a shorter method to rapidly compute the other midpoints. So next, we place all the midpoints on the x-axis, frequencies on the y-axis. We plot our points. At 18, we go up 8. So 18 is about here. Go up 8. At 37, go up 5. 56, go up 6. 75, go up 3. 94, go up 2. And then we next connect all the plotted points with straight lines. Now the final step is a little interesting. We have to connect this first point to the x-axis and the last point to the x-axis where hypothetical midpoints would be located. So remember, all the midpoints are separated by the class width, which in this example is 19. So we start with the lowest midpoint, 18, and subtract 19 to get -1. So we anchor the first point to -1 on the x-axis. Now to get the other point on the x-axis, we take the highest midpoint, 94, add 19 to get 113, and then connect this last point to the x-axis at 113. And then that is how we construct the frequency polygon. Thanks for watching the video.